ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਦੋਸਤੋ, ਮੈਂ ਉਮੀਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਹਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਬਹੁਤ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ। ਅੱਜ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਕੁਝ ਮੋਬਿਲਿਟੀ ਐਕਸਰਸਾਈਜ਼ਸ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਇਆ ਹਾਂ। ਔਰ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਦਾ ਸ਼ੁਕਰ ਕਰੀਏ। ਇੱਕ ਓਂਕਾਰ ਸਤਨਾਮ ਕਰਤਾ ਪੁਰਖ ਨਿਰਭਉ ਨਿਰਵੈਰ ਅਕਾਲ ਮੂਰਤ ਅਜੂਨੀ ਸੈਭੰ ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ। तो मेरे दोस्तों, ये है फोम रोलर। ये ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਡੈਕੈਥਲਨ ਤੋਂ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਏਗਾ। ਇਹ ਬਾਲ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਏਗੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ। ਇਹ ਹੈ ਗੋल्फ बॉल, एनी बेल्ट विच कैन बी यूज फॉर स्ट्रैचिंग योर बॉडी। और सब तो पहला ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇਸ ਫੋਮ ਰੋਲਰ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਕੰਮ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਫੋਮ ਰੋਲਰ ਨੂੰ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਜੋ बैक ਦੇ ਮਸਲਸ ਹਨ, we have to improve the mobility. So you have to keep your foam roller like this and then start rolling like this. Enjoy. It is like massaging your back muscles. So when you do lot of physical activity exercises, strengthening exercises, you run a lot, then your muscles will get tightened. So you need to really break them down. And whatever knots are formed, those knots need to be released. So you have to do it first on your lower back like this. Roll it for at least 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then on your upper back. One, 2, 3, 4. Go slowly wherever you feel more pain and try to smash those tight knots and smash them. You may feel little pain, try to bear it, but you will feel very relaxed afterwards. Now come to the side. We'll try to smash the side shoulder muscles on your sides. Do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Little painful, but try to tolerate the pain. On the other side, this side, you have to really do it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I do lot of running, marathons, then these are very, very helpful. Now, I do it on my these arms. It is recommended to do it at least once in a week for people who are not doing much workout. But people who are doing it extensively, they are supposed to do it on daily basis, at least for 10 minutes. If not daily, do it at least for 10 minutes on alternate days. Smash your muscles, move your body, yes, and repeat it on both sides. Now, we are going to work on our calf muscles and then thigh muscles also. For calves, bring it here under the calf, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਹ ਪਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਹਨ, and then put your other leg on the leg which is on the roller. Your hands firmly on the ground. Lift your body up. This is also a good exercise for strengthening your shoulders because you're lifting your weight with the help of your shoulders. Move forward and backward. Press it and you will feel little pain in your calf muscles if they are very tight. Smash the knots and relax your body. Change your side. Do it for other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now sideways also. Do it. Wherever you feel some painful areas, spot those points and smash it. Bear that pain, but it will be good to relax your body. Overall, improving your flexibility. And now we'll do it for our upper thighs and also for inner thighs. Put your shoulders on your thighs, go forward and again backward. If you want to put little more pressure, raise your one leg up and then do it. At least for 10 times. घट्टो घट 10 बारी करना है. Repeat it for both legs. Very, very important for the runners and the players into different sports. You would have seen cricket players using it in the cricket ground before and after. Now I'll do it for the inner side of my thigh. So what exactly you do it? You have to put it in this position and then make your inner thigh come on the roller and roll it. Go up to knee. Do not put any weight on the bones. This is only for the muscles. दस बारी करना है दोनों साइड से. I'll show it from this side now. Keep it at this angle. Come forward and then roll it on the side. So inner thighs are getting smashed. Do it for about 10 times. So this is how you use this foam roller. And now this ball, very good for smashing your glute muscles. Keep it under your glute like this. Put your one leg on your knee and then roll like this. Smash the tightened muscles in and around your glute. This will also give you very good relief for your back pain because everything is connected. Repeat it for other side. So I show you from this side now. Put it under your buttocks and then put your foot on the knee and then roll it for about 10 times, or you can do it more times also. This ball can also be used for the side muscles. This is on the side of your glute. So sometimes they are very tight. So spot a point where you feel the muscles are quite tight and also painful. Then roll like this, sidewise and up and down. Like this, everywhere you have to do. Up, down, sidewise, left and right, khabbe se sajje, and then give rounds also. Like this, wherever the tightness is there, it will get released. Do it for other side also. And now, for your underarms. So put it on this side, just under your shoulders, and again do rotation up and down, sidewise. Do it again 10 times. Both the sides you have to do it. Now I'll show you what to do with this uh, small ball. You have to remove your shoes, because we are going to walk under our foot. So put this ball under your foot. It's a good acupressure for your foot. Go up, forward and backward, then sidewise, again forward, backward. Keep doing this at least for 1 minute. Repeat it for both the feet. It will be really painful. Try to do it slowly first. Don't do it more than 1 minute, slowly and gradually. Right? So these were few of the mobility exercises. I will come back with few more mobility exercises in the future. Until then, goodbye. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.